Legal vacation, hypocrisy of Atta exposed. Now we all remember that last week, Atta and Godfred Dame. Atta is a renowned lawyer. This is his cocoa season. All the alleged NPP thieves are running after him. And he is the one leading them to court. Some lawyers have chickened up. They have developed cold feet and have run away into oblivion, leaving their clients for Atta to handle. It looks like he is the guy who has the energy to do that. Godfred Yaboa Dame, my brother, my sister, was the Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana in the days of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Some lawyers I spoke to told me that he's a really wackish lawyer. In other words, he doesn't seem to really know his job. He's lousy. I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know. Some of the lawyers I spoke to that I believe say he's actually aided some people to go free by his lousiness. He's caused financial hemorrhage to Ghana. No wonder he's been drawn and dragged all the way to the courts, I am told, for causing the financial loss to the state. And the NPP guys gathered again, making so much noise. Free dummy, free dummy, free dummy. My brother, my sister, in our country, almost everything is political. If a bird falls and dies in front of us today, they will blame it on a political figure. Which party is in power? They caused this bird to die. The other party that was in power didn't have a bird die. That is how mediocre we are in this country. But the news is that the two guys here ran to the Chief Justice of the Republic of Ghana. His name is Justice Bafubone. And they told him point blank, my Lord, please, it's the legal vacation. Judges are supposed to go out there on leave, on vacation. Lawyers are supposed to also go out there on vacation. Why is it that you are still asking us to come to court when we also need to rest? We are tired. My brother, my sister. And we told you the reason already. Speedy trial. Lawyers have a way of delaying things to be able to gather all their arsenal to fight a case that they think they are not too strong for right now. We have seen that happen in court. When some lawyers were concentrating on Ghana must go backs and exchange rates, when the real thing was hanging around their necks like albatrosses. My brother, my sister, now the Chief Justice is looking at it. Now, the Deputy Attorney General and Minister for Justice, Justice Semsai, has spoken. And what has he said about the legal vacation? This is the man. Watch this.
No genuine or real controversy here. The matter is simple. It's been the case that vacation courts are always sitting whenever there is a legal vacation. No one can dispute that simple fact. They claim that it is the lawyers who decide whether they want to have a proceedings in vacation is not founded on any fact. It's not founded on any law. It's not founded on reason, and it is not founded by any rule of practice. Lawyers, nowhere in the world do you see lawyers deciding when a court should sit. What matters is that the head of the judiciary has given warrants for a number of judges, I think 10 or more judges, to sit across the country to take care of cases. Now, this is the thing. A vacation judge has his or her own courts to administer. Okay. Now, when the vacation is over, he is also entitled to go on vacation. That is after October. Now, if you make the argument, as the GBA president is making, that a vacation judge is not required to, or cannot hear cases or conduct trial, then when the vacation is over and he goes on vacation, no other judge can have trial. So basically what the GBA is saying is that for cases that are pending in the courts that have vacation judges, those cases can only conduct trials in January next year. Because in October, when the courts return, these judges who are sitting on vacation would also go on vacation, and no judge can conduct their trial for them. And then after October, November comes the December vacation, which takes us to January, first, second week in January. So you will see that apart from the fact that there is no practice backing what the GBA is saying, it's not supported by law, by any rule of practice, and again, it's also supported by reason that would be positive or advance the cause of justice. So for us, it is a self-imposed understanding of the law, which we do not think should be allowed to prevail. And as the judge said, the vacation is, he has the warrant to hear the case and sit in vacation. And if you don't come, he will treat it as if you are not interested in legal representation, and has given directive to the clients to advise themselves. If their lawyers decide that they won't practice, no one can stop them, but he has a case to defend. If on the next agenda date he does not produce, I think the judge has given them 1 week. If they do not produce a lawyer, then they will have to conduct the cross-examination by themselves.
Deputy, so it basically, in simple terms, you mean that the GBA got it wrong in their statement?
Completely wrong. Completely wrong. And the claim that there is a convention is completely even false. There's no such convention. And even if there is a convention, Order 79 of CI 47 is the order that provides expressly for legal vacation.
The Honorable Dr. Sremsai is the Deputy Attorney General and Minister for Justice. His boss is the Zwarungu boy, the Stanford lawyer, Dr. Dominic Akuritinga Ayini, the cigar-chomping king. My brother, my sister, now he has made his case clear. We need a speedy trial. The nation has taken the corruption fight to another level. Courts have been established. Judges have been encouraged to sit extra time so that all these cases can be handled. And some two lawyers say, no, we want to go to Kwewu and eat wow. They want to have fun because they are tired. My brother, my sister, where is the fun when your client wants justice? Should you not be in a hurry for justice? We are unable to attend the said sittings during vacation, as this direction would necessitate the lawyers of the accused persons to work beyond the legal year while other lawyers rest. And we told you that will they also come back and say, whilst we are earning more money, the others are at home? For that matter, let us go back home so that we won't get the extra cash. My brother, my sister, as Sremsai said, this is not lodged in common sense and reason. Why are we saying that? Now there is a guy called Bernard Siako, aka Chairman Wontumi, and his lawyer moved from Apia and Bikubi to this gentleman here called Atta. They have applied for him to have bail while they are awaiting the judgment for his appeal. That's it. That's it. When was it filed? The 6th of August. My brother, my sister, it is a Republic versus Siako. Yes, aka Chairman Wontumi. And he says, take notice that this honorable court will be moved by counsel for and on behalf of the first appellant, that's applicant, hearing, praying the court for an order that the applicant who is currently incarcerated at the Insawam Medium security prisons be admitted to bail pending appeal upon the grounds stated in the accompanying affidavit and for any further orders as this court, honorable court, may deem fit. And then court to be moved on when? Wednesday, 19th August dash. This is within the legal vacation. But Atta is so happy to go to court in order to get bail for Chairman Wontumi. Legal vacation. If he's told by the judges, we are on legal vacation, come next year for this to be heard, Chairman Wontumi will continue to be in there till January. That he's not complaining about. He wants to go. And as quickly as possible, try to get Chairman Wontumi out. They are not complaining. If the judges are going on their so-called legal vacation, then this would not be heard. Atta is excited that they are going to sit so he can have a speedy trial in order to have the incarcerated Chairman Wontumi. Imagine Chairman Wontumi's case was still pending, as in no judgment was made. The same Atta and Godfred Dame will run to the judges and say, yeah, thank you. Have your legal vacation. So they will have time to slow down the judgment process. That's what I think. So in this case, I see a lot of hypocrisy. Your client is in jail. That you want to quickly go during the legal vacation to have his case heard. But your other ones that are not in jail yet, you say no. As for those ones, wait until next year. I can't wait to see all these guys who have been prosecuted and standing trial right now to have justice for Mother Ghana. We are tired of the stealing. We are tired of the foolishness. We are tired of the sluggishness. We want a speedy trial so that in Nsawam prison can at least be packed again. Those who have to be sodomized will be sodomized. Those who have to eat dry bread will eat dry bread. They have taken Ghana for a ride for far too long. My brother, my sister, the foolhardiness must end now. Congratulations to the Mahama government. Congratulations to all the judges. Congratulations to the legal system. My brother, my sister, for supporting a speedy trial. Though the GBA, Ghana Bar Association, has come out to speak against sitting during the legal vacation. But the Honorable Dr. Semsai has made it clear it is not lodged in reason and common sense and even in law. It's the black pot, aka Kukushonamo, where we speak truth to power.